Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Flores, and this activity belongs to the subject of intelligent systems. In this project, I implemented an ultrasonic distance measurement system using the HC SR04 sensor and a 16x2 LSD, both controlled by the Raspberry Pi Pico, and the program was written in MicroPython and uploaded through the 20 IDE. So let's go over how the code works. At the beginning, we import three modules: pin from the machine library to control GPIO pins, UTime to measure precise time intervals, and our custom LCD library, which contain all the functions needed to control the display. Then we define two pins, GP16 for the trigger and GP17 for the echo. The trigger pin will send a short pulse to the sensor, while the echo pin receives a signal that bounces back from the object. After that, we call the function LSD init to initialize the LSD display. This prepares it to show the text on the screen. Now, inside the while true loop, the program continuously measures the distance. First, it ensures that the trigger pin is set to the low, and then it sends a 10 microsecond high pulse to trigger pin. This causes the sensor to emit 8 ultrasonic bursts at the 40 kHz, and when the sound waves hit an obstacle, they reflect back to the sensor, and the echo pin goes high for the duration of the returning pulse. The Pico measures the start and end of this high pulse using the UTime ticks us function, which captures in microseconds. Next, the code calculates the time difference between the start and the using UTime ticks diff, and this gives the total travel time of the sound wave. The distance is then calculated with the formula distance equal duration per 0.0171, and here 0.0171 is derived from the speed sound, adjusted to the centimeters and divided by 2 since the signal travels to the object and back. Finally, the code clears the LCD using LCD clear and prints the calculated distance with LCD pods. This displays the distance in centimeters and updated every second with UTime.sleep. So now we're gonna run our code in the Raspberry Pi Pico to see the results. So now we're gonna run our code to see the measurement of the centimeters. As you can see, we move our hand and it measures a distance of 10 centimeters. And that's it. Thank you so much.